When using navigation split view, it's common to have the detail view presenting information about something that was selected in the sidebar view. Usually that works great. But what happens when the app is first launched? What should we show in the detail view then? Now on iPhone, normally this isn't really a problem. Most folks are in iPhone portrait anyway, so they won't even see the detail view. They'll just see the sidebar view. But on iPad, it's more tricky. Depending on orientation, users might only see the detail view by default. Now, one easy solution here is to make a small view with some introductory instructions on to help users get started. In this project, that means making a new SwiftUI view called a welcome view. I should now ramp up my iPad simulator so I can launch in the background while I'm doing this coding. Okay, it's not very fast. So I'll press Command N, make a new SwiftUI view, and I'll call this thing, there we go, it's fast, that was wrong, welcome view, and then press create. And then inside here will be a VStack saying the text of welcome to SnowSeeker in a font of large title. And then we'll say, please select a resort from the, oops daisy, left-hand menu, swipe from the edge to show it. I'll do a foreground style of secondary. So it's all just static text. It'll only be shown when the user's first running the app. As soon as they tap any one of the links on the side, it'll get replaced with whatever they're navigating to. Now, we want to put this into content view over here. So the two parts of our UI can be used side by side. We have this text detail down here already. That's what's going to come out. We'll say that is actually going to be a welcome view. And that will now be shown. That's enough SwiftUI to understand exactly what we want here. And so try running the app on various devices. So I'll try on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's currently in portrait mode. So let's run it back now. We see the result listing. In landscape mode, we get our welcome screen. So we can now swipe from one edge to bring up that extra view. And then on iPad, here, that is currently in portrait mode. Again, so you only see the detail view. If you go to landscape mode, you'll see both side by side, but otherwise you see only the one. So it's a really good idea to just try things out. Try orientations, try activating split view and slide over in your iPad. Get a sense what's actually happening here. You'll see how iOS and iPadOS both do different things depending on the device orientation, whether the app has a whole screen to itself or it's in split screen or slide over or whatever.